Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make yogurt with fruit. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh milk, a live yogurt starter, and your preferred fruits. It's also crucial to ensure all your utensils and containers are spotlessly clean and sanitized. This prevents any unwanted bacteria from interfering with your delicious homemade yogurt. Selecting ripe, seasonal fruits will give you the best natural sweetness and flavor. Next, we prepare the milk base. Heat 1 liter of fresh milk to exactly 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This step denatures the milk proteins, creating a thicker yogurt. After heating, cool the milk down to a temperature between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. This specific range is absolutely vital for the beneficial bacteria in your starter culture to grow and thrive properly. Now it's time to introduce your starter culture. Gently whisk in about 2 tablespoons of a live yogurt starter into your cooled milk. Make sure it's thoroughly combined. Then, carefully pour this mixture into clean jars or containers and cover them securely. Incubate your yogurt at a consistent temperature of 110 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 hours, allowing the magic to happen. Finally, let's add the delicious fruit. While your yogurt chills, prepare your favorite fruits by washing, chopping, or even pureeing them. Once your yogurt is firm and cool, you can gently stir the prepared fruit directly into the batch or layer it into individual servings. Refrigerate your homemade fruit yogurt for at least 4 hours to allow it to fully set and chill before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.